Hi guys, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some edible sugar lace. These will make the cake look really beautiful and fancy, and these are vegan also. To make the sugar lace, we will need 1 tablespoon of Tylose powder, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch and half teaspoon of corn syrup, and some clear extract, white food coloring, and 1/3 cup of hot boiling water, and the sugar lace mat. There are a lot of mats available in the market. I'm using this smaller mat because I'm using it for a smaller cake. I'm adding 1/3 cup of hot boiling water into the Tylose powder and mix it really well, and let it sit for around 8 to 10 minutes till the Tylose absorbs all the water and turns translucent. This step is very important to get a lump-free dough. See, here it is how it is looking after 8 minutes. I'm switching back to my spatula, and I'm going to smash it to make sure there are no lumps left. This step is crucial to get a lump-free dough, and which also helps us to peel the lace out of the mold easily without breaking. I will add the dry ingredients into this mixture. I always prefer to sift the dry ingredients so that there are no lumps in it. I'll take the help of my spatula to sift the dry ingredients into the Tylose mixture. Sift everything well, and then we will add the corn syrup to it. Corn syrup helps us to get the flexible dough, and also it makes the lace very flexible and not dry hard very fast. At this point, we'll also add the clear extract and white food coloring. Today I'm using the almond extract. You can add any clear extract like clear vanilla extract or rose essence or any other clear extract for that matter. Let's mix it really well, and then we will see how it looks, and then start adding water, half a tablespoon or half teaspoon at a time. Here we are looking for a thick royal icing consistency dough. I ended up adding 1 tablespoon and 1/4 teaspoon of water. This is how my dough looked at the end. I did a trial run with this white dough, and it is in my oven right now. It looks perfect to spread, and let's see how it turns out once it's out of the oven. So here I mixed some luster dust to the dough, and then I'm gonna apply it to the mat. This is the luster dust I'm using today, and then this is how my dough looks. The consistency of the dough looks, or the paste looks. So let me take out the mat out of the oven, the white one that I'm making the lace, and let's see how it looks. The edges are dry, and let me peel it out of the oven. This was in the oven for 9 minutes at 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes out of the mold very easily because it's so flexible and looks so beautiful. So the trial run is successful. Now let's apply the gold color paste onto the mat. I'll take half a teaspoon of the dough and apply onto the mat with the help of my spatula. I'm going to spread it evenly onto the mat, covering all the spaces. Try and apply it from every different angle, every different direction, so that we are not missing any spot. Also make sure that you clear the extras from the mat, otherwise it will be tough to clean the mat later, and we don't have to wash the mat every time for every lace that we're doing. If we clear it really well, make sure there's no extra left, scrape it really well. This will go into the oven for 9 minutes at 90 degrees Fahrenheit till the edges look little dry, and also make sure that the center of the mat is done as well. It should not be really wet. I'm clearing off all the excess so that it will be easy for me to clean my mat later. Also make sure there is nothing left inside those flowers, so that there are no webs formed. It's out of the oven, and look at this. It's dry in the edge, and then it's peeling off very easily. It's flexible and nice. It's not breaking. It's so beautiful. It came out so beautifully. This is how my lace looks after one day. It is flexible and smooth. It's not breaking. I'm gonna apply some luster dust mixed with vodka to give that extra shine. This is not necessary, but since my cake is of lighter color, I'm gonna do this so that the lace has that nice shine. These can be stored between the parchment papers in a box for 4 weeks. I tried till 4 weeks and it has worked perfectly well. And if you want to cut different shapes or butterflies out of it, you can cut it and dry it and then use it when needed. These can be made in advance and use it when your cake has to be decorated. I really enjoyed making this video, guys. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for such more creative decorating videos. Thank you so much for watching.